In this lecture, we are going to discuss about classes in Python. So Python being an object-oriented language do support the concept of objects, classes, the pillars of object-oriented programming like abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, all that we learned in our previous lectures. Now let's see how a class is defined in Python. So firstly, I would like to show you the syntax in case of Python 2 or the version prior to Python 3. So over here, a class is simply defined as the class keyword followed by the class name, and then you have a parenthesis inside which you have an object argument, and it was mainly used for like inheriting from the parent class. And then you have a set of colons and followed by a series of statements that define that class. Now over here you can see I've just put in pass over here because pass implies something that where like no execution is taking place, but still your program runs properly if you put the pass statement there. So you can refer to it in my prior course on basics of Python. So that's the most simplest way of defining a class or a blueprint. So whenever you hear this word class, always remember it's a blueprint, okay, to make your objects. So it's a kind of design to make your objects. Now in case of Python 3, the syntax has been simplified and you don't have to put that object within the parenthesis there to define a class. Okay, so it's simply the class keyword followed by your class name, which is car in our case, because we love our car, which is Lamborghini, right? Our dream basically. So we have the car, which is the class name, followed by a series of statements. So that's how you define a class in Python. Now we are going to go very step by step in this tutorial so that you can understand each and every components of what we learned in our previous lectures, and so that you can relate it slowly. So over here we learned how you can create a class, or which we learned as a blueprint to create your objects.